What if I told you that you could create an entire cinematic animated short film from just one sentence? No complicated prompts, no switching between 5 different AI tools, just one idea. That's where Flova AI comes in. It's an all-in-one AI filmmaking platform where you can simply chat with AI, describe your idea, and turn it into a production-quality animated film in just a few minutes. Today, I'll show you exactly how I created this inspiring short film from single prompt. So without any further ado, let's jump into Flova AI website. So over here, we can simply provide our idea as a prompt. So here we can describe the story, the duration of the video, aspect ratio to generate the video, and that should be it, right? So let's generate, but before that, we'll see a couple of things like model. So here we can find different models to generate the video, but I'm using these 3 default models. But if you like, you can use any of them. And in the skill section, we can use different skill, right? There are a couple of skills given over here, and you can also find it over here as well. So whichever you like, you can just choose and generate it. But as of now, I'm just letting Flova AI decide it. So let's generate. And that's it. No giant prompt, no complicated instructions. I simply chat with Flova like I'm working with my own creative director. So now Flova starts creating the entire storyboard. And now we have a couple of options to choose from, right? So whichever we like, we can just choose it and then just click it and then just send, all right? And here we can choose any of the options. As of now, I'm choosing this vibrant. And as you can see, it has created all of the, scenes. So there's a scene breakdown and it's a script, right? So there's a format and there are characters, Kai and Coach Mara. And if you don't like the script, we can simply adjust it as well from the option, right? But as of now, we are conforming the script. And now our video spec is ready and the storyboard has been updated. Now this is the video spec we have, right? We can explore this. And also talking about skill, we can actually save this skill for our future projects so that our process, the creative workflow, the storyboard process, animation style, camera movements, preferred AI models will be saved for our future project. So here we can just save it, right? And so the storyboard has been updated. Now let's generate character designs. And another best part about Flova AI is we can actually save these characters in our asset library so that we can actually use these characters in our future projects. All right. So let's give it some name and let's save it. And we can simply find our assets over here in the asset library and skill over here if you want to use these skills and asset for our future projects. The best part, whether you are creating animated films, YouTube shorts, explainer videos, motivational stories, or an entire series, your workflow stays consistent every time. Now let's go ahead and continue our project. So it looks great. Let's send. The audio of the character seems to be ready. Let's first test it.
Champions don't stop. Champions don't stop. They just rest for 1 second. I'm going to run the whole
Let's change the voice for Mara character. All right.
Champions
Now
don't stop. They just rest for
sounds good. Okay. But if you want another one, you can also ask for it. But as of now, let's say we are all set. The best part, Flova generates the visuals, voiceover, background music, camera movements, and cinematic transitions together. You want a different camera angle, more dramatic lighting, a stronger emotional moment, just tell Flova in chat, it updates only that scene, no start all over. Now let's generate the audio first. And if you have to change the scene, we'll change as well, alright? Now the timeline seems to be updated as well. Now let's test our video and audio in our timeline. Now let's give a little bit of changes. Let's increase the volume of character and decrease the volume of background music so that character's audio will be more audible. And let's also change the appearance of Mara from final marathon scene, and let's keep her only in the training scene. So this is the best part about Flova AI. If you want any changes, we can just tell Flova in chat and it'll just update that scene, right? We don't have to start over. And here's the finished short film, a complete inspirational story about a child who never gave up on a dream, all created from just one sentence, from idea to storyboard to polished cinematic animation. Everything happened inside just one platform. No switching between multiple AI tools. Just creativity and Flova AI. And finally, once we are okay with our video, we can export our video from here. So if you're a content creator, developer, filmmaker, or startup founder looking to create cinematic AI videos faster, Flova brings everything together in one platform. It combines powerful AI models, an AI creative team, and professional editing tools. You can use the link in the description to claim 100 free credits and 200 more credits for every new user you refer. And for unlimited credits, you can explore pricing tiers according to your needs, starting at just $20 per month. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.